What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so today we have got a video on a brand that I've heard very good things about, but I've actually never tried myself. I've never ever tried from COS. So we've got an unboxing, a try on haul from COS, minimal menswear brand. I don't think it's not that expensive, not like too expensive, not like Reese, but I'd say it's not as cheap as say Zara. It's kind of like mid-range. Got some very nice pieces to try on. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. As always, I'll be linking everything in the description. Go and have a look down there if you like any of the stuff. But yeah, let's crack on with it. I'm actually going to unbox it, you know, and see what the packaging is like. That's quite nicely packaged, to be honest. Some nice tissue paper. It says COS on the sticker label there. Sorry, but we're going to have to whack this open. Very nicely folded, as you can see. I did actually go in the Manchester store, which I didn't even know existed, probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I was impressed by it, to be honest. Like, really nice and minimal aesthetic. Looks so clean and natural. Right, so first item is this like shirt in a really nice fabric, to be honest. Really nice colour. Looks like the one. Also a very nice touch. The invoice, if it's focusing, invoice and receipt comes in a nice envelope. Oh, that's quite a nice touch as well, to be honest. That's a very nice touch. Not a lot of brands do this anymore. A returns label packaged in, so if you want to return any of the stuff, you don't have to mess about going online or anything. You can just whack that straight on the box, take it to Hermes or Every. That's scoring points for me, to be honest. Very nice. I thought I'd try a bit of everything, you know what I mean? So these, we have got some trousers. These were, what were they now? £55. Nice stretchy trouser. These feel like really nice lightweight for holiday, which could be good. Nice navy colour. And we've got a pair of shorts in a very similar material, I'd say. These are a bit more stretchy. Is that like a slate grey or a light blue? They feel really nice, to be honest. How much were they? £39. Like I was saying, it is a little bit more expensive than say Zara, H&M, but I feel like the quality could be, COS could be the one. Why have I not tried it for this long? I've been doing fashion YouTube for how long now, and I've still not tried COS. What an idiot. I'm an idiot sometimes, you know. You get stuck in your ways, don't you? So, another pair of shorts. Summer is obviously coming up. These feel really nice, like a waffle texture in a cream off-white. 39 quid again. The quality does feel lovely, to be honest. Does feel very nice. Then I thought I'd get some t-shirts, because obviously you want to try a bit of everything, the basics as well. So this is just a relaxed tee in a size large. 19 quid. Hopefully, it looks a little bit see-through. Hopefully it does the job. Hopefully a large fits me. Usually I'm between large and extra large. So what do you think of this t-shirt I'm wearing? Sneaky little plug there. But we've got the brand new college graphic oversized tee for Sullivan. Just thought I'd show you guys this colourway. So it's got white and blue, a really nice thin tee, nice premium fabric. These will be dropping soon in one of our biggest collections. We're actually doing a collection drop. It's going to be like mid-June time, and it's going to be one of the biggest drops we've ever done. And we're also going to be doing a summer sale at the start of June as well, so make sure you keep your eye out. These Infinity joggers. If you've not checked out the Infinity joggers, trust me, the one for the gym or just wearing around the house, you know what I mean? Lovely, lovely pair of joggers, not too tight. Right, next up, starting off with all the pants here, to be honest, aren't we? So we have got £59 trousers in black. Nice stretchy waistband. What size did we go for? Euro 50. So the sizes I think go like 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. I think 50 was a 34 waist, if I'm not mistaken. I am new to this, so bear with me. Quite nice. Then we have got an overshirt, which feels really good quality, to be honest. Relaxed fit, extra large. If it's relaxed, maybe I should have gone for a large, but £79. Black, does feel nice quality. And another t-shirt. This is just a regular t-shirt in blue. Thought it'd be a nice colour for a holiday maybe. Not that I need t-shirts, but it's nice to try them, isn't it? When I'm doing a review, I want to try a bit of everything. 19 quid again, same as the relaxed oversized tee. And then the last item we have got is this like kind of shacket. Is that black or is it navy? Who knows? £79 again, in a size large this one. Feels really good. Right, let's try it all on. Maybe we'll make a couple of nice outfits up. Let's hope it fits as good as the experience has been so far, because it's been quite nice. So we're starting off with the t-shirt, just in this regular fit, in a really nice blue colour. Can't fault the t-shirt, to be honest. Really nice colour, nice fabric, nice fit as well. Nice. We're actually pairing it with the tapered regular trouser, and these are in a size 50, which I think is a 34-inch waist. I think I would need a 52, to be honest. They're just a little bit tight around my glutes and my hips. I do always carry, that's where I carry my weight. I know you guys always know. You always know about this, I talk about it all the time, but it's always in my glutes and my hips. So 52 would have been better. There's not loads and loads of stretch in the material. It'd be nice if there was a bit more elastane in there, but they do feel nice quality. Definitely not the best trousers I've tried. They're nothing like the Arn ones, do you know what I mean? But they're not bad, they're just a bit too tight for me, these. So next couple of items, we've got regular elasticated waistband shorts in this like nice grey blue colour. It's a very pale grey blue. I went for a size large. These are really comfy, to be honest. Nice and lightweight, not too tight, not too loose. Just above the knee, the perfect length. Big fan of these guys. These are a really nice pair of shorts for summer. Definitely. Just matching them with the white Arn leather essential trainers. And then we've got the COS white oversized tee. Oversized relaxed, £19. Went for a size large. It's actually not a bad fit. It's a nice little summer outfit. It's a bit more of like a relaxed fit, but looks nice, doesn't it? We'll add this jacket over the top. So I think it's like a navy workwear jacket. £79.99, size large. It was definitely the right choice to go for a large. If I got an extra large, it would have drowned me. It would have been huge. Large, this is actually really nice, you know. Like really nice. It is a bit more of like a relaxed fit, so bear that in mind. Definitely either go true to size or size down. Really nice quality, super lightweight, so it'll be good for spring, summer. Got pockets as well. A lot of these jackets are always missing pockets. They're nice and deep as well, you know. Really nice. I'm a big fan of this. It is definitely like a bit longer in length, which suits me. I kind of really like that. Overall, absolutely top class. Quality jacket, perfect length on the sleeves. Yeah, this is definitely my favourite thing I've tried so far. It's so nice, you know. Really rate this. 80 quid, a bit more expensive, but quality is mega. So guys, before we get onto this next outfit, I just want to give a massive shout out to today's video sponsor. If you're in the market to zhuzh up like an outfit, you know what I mean, with accessories, bracelets, rings, necklaces, you need to go and check out Rose Gold and Black. They're honestly unbelievable. Really super nice and minimal. They have beaded bracelets like this one I've got on here. Do loads of rings. Got this minimal bar necklace, which looks nice when you're wearing like an open shirt like this, or you could wear it over a t-shirt, over a vest. Just finishes off an outfit really nicely, and they have loads of different options on the website as well. If you go and check them out, guys, you can use my code JOSHSUL to get an extra 10% off your order. And if you're mixing and matching like a few bracelets, rings, you can get bundled discounts on top of that as well, which is really nice. Make sure you go and get involved, guys. They'll be linked right at the top of the description. Really nice accessories. So this outfit here, we have got this shirt in like a really nice like grey beige colour. It's quite heavyweight, you know. It's really like thick material. Feels really luxurious though. So this was £55, went for a size large. It's definitely more of like a relaxed fit. I feel like it would be nice for holiday. Tell you one thing I do really like about COS at the minute, it's that the stuff has good length in it. Like I always struggle because I'm quite a tall guy, I'm 6'2", and the stuff actually has like really nice length. It's not too short, it's not riding up the back. This is really nice. It's quite thick though, so maybe it won't be the best for summer. You get quite hot with this. Maybe it would be good like if you wore a vest underneath it. On the bottom we have got some of the navy, like relaxed cropped trousers. I'd say they've got an elasticated waistband. They feel a bit like linen-y. A really nice material. Really nice, super comfy as well, you know. If you want more of like a relaxed fit, definitely go and have a look at these. I went for a size large. They fit me really nicely. A bit of a crop on them. Really nice lightweight material. They'll be really good for summer, going on holiday and stuff like that. It's just a bit different, isn't it? It depends what sort of fit you're after. If you want more of like a relaxed fit, I feel like COS is a really good place to go. Where if you want more like fitted clothes, somewhere like Arn is going to be your best option probably. So last few items, I'll tell you what, I have been impressed with COS. We've got this overshirt / like worker jacket. I think again it's quite thick. It's thicker than the jacket before. This is in a size extra large. Maybe I could get away with a large. It's quite big, but it feels quite nice as well at the same time. Just pairing it with the oversized tee. Obviously got the rose gold on black necklace on as well. Forgot to, yeah. See how much better I think it looks with that. I do just think it looks much better. And we've got some shorts in like a nice beige cream colour. These are a size large, like a waffle texture down the side panel. They feel such nice quality, you know. Really, really nice quality. The only thing I'll say is they're quite big, so I think I could definitely get away with a size medium in these. It's quite nice for me. Usually brands like Zara and even Arn, like the size is so small, so slim that you have to size up, and you see me wearing like extra large in pants, which is just not the case. I've got a 33-inch waist, do you know what I mean? It's quite annoying, isn't it? Look at the size of them. That's a size large as well. But I suppose this is my first time trying COS, so when you get to know the brand a little bit more, you know what the sizing is going to be like. Really nice. I've got a nice outfit this, isn't it? Nice summer outfit. Obviously just take this off, it's super simple. Yeah. Last couple of items. I'm very impressed. So overall, very impressed with COS. Some really nice pieces in this video. A little bit more expensive, but I feel like the quality is there, do you know what I mean? The service was really good as well. Really fast delivery, really nice that it's got that free returns to it, and it's got that label inside. That just makes it so much easier, doesn't it, if something doesn't fit. But yeah, like always, I'll link everything in the description. Go and have a look down there, guys. I'll definitely be doing more COS videos if you enjoy them. Let me know what other brands you want to see. I think Arket is the next one that I need to try that I've never done. Arket and COS were the two that I've never tried, so Arket will be coming soon. We've got Reese, Arn, Gymshark, loads of videos coming up, so make sure you're subscribed if you've not already. Well, that's it from me today, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. See you later.